Thanks for taking a few minutes and watching this short video on our Scripts and Dialogs bootcamp. This is our only program that is actually not coaching, it's training. And the purpose of this program is this. Back in the day, realtors were so much more knowledgeable than the public. The gap between what we knew and what they knew was vast. We could really control them. But now they're a lot smarter and they've closed the gap, and sometimes they can catch us and we don't really know how to deal with them, how to handle them. So our Scripts and Dialogs bootcamp is an 8-week bootcamp training program, 2 hours a week for 8 weeks in a row, and it's held in your location. In order to run this, we must have at least 20 participants, and the cost per person is $495 for the 8 weeks. The expectation of this program that you would become very skilled when it comes to the scripts and the dialogues, how you communicate with the public, to create that big gap between what you know and how you talk compared to what they know and how they talk. So Scripts and Dialogs bootcamp held in your location, 8 weeks, $499 per person. Have an awesome day.